Today I'm going to do a unbox video of the Google Wi-Fi 2nd generation. This is actually got it on sale for $180, so you can see right there, $188.30 at Target. But if you have Target Red Card, you will get it for $175 after 5% discount. So it was about 35% off. Even it says repacked. Honestly, what do I care? So, but we are going to open it the professional way. I always say professional way when I meant the waggly way, the redneck way. So, they taped it pretty well with those scotch tape. Ooh, it's about the unbox experience. Oh. Okay. We're okay, so those are the two puck right here, as you can see. Remember, this is repacked, so it's not original package. It even says on the thing. And we got, annoyingly, no longer micro USB cable, which is fine, or USB-C cable. But that's okay. That really doesn't matter. But okay, over here is your little quick instruction guide. Honestly, nobody reads it, but oh, look at this. This cable hasn't opened yet. Okay. Only this one, I think. So yeah, let's go over a couple of things. We got the setup sticker, which is the QR code. This one does not has a this one does not have a port, like a Ethernet port, just the speaker. I think this is the from the look of it, it actually have a Google Assistant in there. So this one, it look like there is two Ethernet, and then there's your QR code for setup. I really don't know what to do if you lose this QR code, so this is gonna be a little tough if you don't have this QR code. So I might have to try it out and see what happens if I don't have that QR code. But yeah, this so that's the main, and then over here is the second. I'm gonna try to put it with my existing Google Mesh network, see if it works. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna find out. So that's basically a quick unboxing video on a messy table, because I'm just want to do this quick. So thanks for watching this unbox video of Google Wi-Fi. So have a good day. And it came with Ethernet cord too. And I think that's it. Bye.